Magandang hapon po ng Friday, May 23, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, May 23, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 5 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng May 23, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, May 23, 2025. Here are the tonnage jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Mega Lotto 645 for May 23, 2025, Friday. Thank you for watching this 9 PM video for evening of Friday, May 23, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.